I began my fire service career in the village of Glenview. It was actually a fire protection district out west of the village, and worked for the fire protection district and the village through a merger for 28 and a half years. When I decided to retire in 2002, I took a little time off, worked a couple of years at the Lake Zurich Fire Department as an inspector, and then in 2004 I was contacted for a deputy fire marshal position for the village of Buffalo Grove, which I subsequently took and worked there for 9 years until my recent retirement here in August. Well, the one nice thing about being in my role is I started as a firefighter paramedic and worked my way up the ladder. Both my boys are paramedic firefighters, and it's really exciting now to look back at my career and say, boy, they're going the same career path. As you get older, you move on, and I changed my career path about 7 or 8 years into my career and began working in fire prevention, which became a passion of mine. I realized that in an 8-hour day I could accomplish a lot of good things, and a lot of good things that last a long time. The decisions that I was making were not just an immediate solution. When you're in fire prevention, your decision lasts the length of the building, the lifespan of the building. Plan reviews, right now I'm doing concentrating on fire sprinkler plan reviews. FSCA gets a lot of sprinkler plan reviews for a number of different communities here in not only in Illinois but in Wisconsin and Montana, of course the other office in Michigan. So they needed help there. I have been helping assist in their marketing projects. I most recently went to Green Bay to the Wisconsin Fire Inspectors Association conference to try to promote FSCI and the services that we provide. And I know that in the future they intend to use me on consulting projects. In this example here, we have a typical light hazard office building, and they want to create a laboratory which changes the classification from light hazard to ordinary hazard. In doing so, they have to provide a different design density for the sprinkler system, and they're using extended coverage heads, which will allow them to use fewer sprinkler heads, but it's something that we have to verify that the heads are compatible for the use. In the mid-1990s, I brought on FSCI in my role as a director of fire prevention in the village of Glenview. I determined real early on that fire safety consultants at the time, now FSCI, played a major role in my time management. That it was clear to me that I did not have the staff to deal with complex sprinkler plans like this, complex fire alarm plans. So as a time management tool, it became abundantly clear to me that I needed help. That helped me a lot in managing the time and managing the staff that I had to allow us to do the other multitude of jobs and tasks that are on the plate of a bureau director, a fire marshal, a deputy fire marshal. You're going to do a plan review, but are you going to do them right? And that's why I like working for FSCI. We take the time, we have the time, we do it right, we're thorough, and the end product is I believe is what the customer wants.